kunyari wala sila dito.
Hindi, alam niyo naman, di ba, kitang-kita natin simula nung in-introduce sila kanina. Si Maris at si Anthony are the two of the most talented stars of their generation, and happy kami for them to be part of Mang Inasal. Kitang-kita niyo yung talent nila, di ba? Tuloy pa rin, ang ganda, no? Ganda ng pagkakakanta. And then at the same time, no, napakasaya nilang kasama, yung chemistry nyo, very good. And then yung connection nyo sa mga tao, no? And same with Mang Inasal, no? Ihaw sarap, Andy saya. Very proud kami to have Maris and Anthony. We are thrilled for them to be part of Mang Inasal family kasi pareho tayo ng values. So welcome to Mang Inasal.
Salamat po. Hindi po namin narinig yun, sir.
Mamaya magpituan ulit tayo, sir. May pagula na.
Nakakatama ako ng puso. Grabe. Yung words po ni Sir Mike kanina, hindi ako makapaniwala na narinig ko yun. Kaya, thank you po, sir. Thank you for having us. Kami ni Anthony, super happy.
Thank you for the opportunity. I represent yung manok natin at yung pork barbecue natin dito.
Opo, and